Hey everybody, it is time for those beans. Yes, yes, yes. Happy New Year. You know, in the new year, we like to have certain things, like the beans. They said that the black eyed peas supposed to bring, I guess, good luck and greens, money. And so we're going to start off by doing some beans. And I chose something a little slight different. I had chose to do the 15 bean soup. This is so good. It has all these different types of beans in it. And what I did was I actually took a container and I soaked it in overnight. No, soaked it in overnight. So that's the beans. I'm getting ready to pour it in and get it cooked in my crock pot. And then in the packet, the beans, it comes with this seasoning mix that you're supposed to put in like at the last minute just before serving, last 15 minutes or so. So we will be using that. But some of the seasonings that I use, I have went ahead and start off by putting some chicken stock in. And this is about it's actually less than a cup. And then I'm gonna fill the rest up with water. We're gonna use onion powder. A sprinkle or two. I'm just eyeballing everything today. Then we have here some garlic powder. As you see, that's like a quarter of butter. And then we got our Creole seasoning. This is all to give it a nice little flavor here. We got our pepper. Pepper. And then we have our salt, iodized salt. So we got our starter, because we cook them layers. So, I do the tasting as I go. Throw in a couple of the bay leaves in there. And now my pre-soaked beans. That's a 6 of lot. You got some lima, you got some lentils, you got some kidney, you got some pinto. Excuse me. If it ain't seasoning, you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoning. It's happening this other. You have all these different types of beans. I'm telling you, it is very, very, very good. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me see if it tells on the packet exactly what beans is in here. It does. So here we go. The 15 varieties of bean is Northern Pinto, Large Llama, Yellow Eye Bean, Gabazo, Baby Llama, Green Split Pea, Kidney, Cranberry Bean, Small White, Pink Bean, Small Red, Yellow Split Pea, Lentil, Navy, White Kidney, Black Bean. And in the season pack is basically, it says it has a little bit of yeast, it's extract, salt, and some other stuff I can't even pronounce. But it does add the flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dump our 15 beans. I'm gonna dump that stuff right in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and get some more water. So we're gonna let this sucker slow cook. By you soaking the beans, what happens is you have actually speed up the process of the cooking. So we're gonna put this on high for about, say, 3 hours, 3 to 4, if that. If I'm definitely gonna come back and and watch it to make sure. Just check it out, check the seasoning out, you know. Voila, baby. Then you want to add you some type of meat, seasoning meat. So what I got right here is a smoked turkey butt, And the reason why some people, do turkey wings, turkey necks, or just any part of a smoked turkey. It gives you a nice flavor to it. I chose the butt because it has it has a fatty to it. Then it also has meat. So when it starts breaking up, the meat breaks up in chunks and stuff. And I find that to be best. So we put that on, a lid on here. I love crock pots because this is like a dump and go. And we got it on, high. Put it on high. And we'll come back and we'll see the results later. Okay, after 3 hours, the moment of truth. So I turned it down a low. And I had added, remember I told y'all about the pack that comes with it? The seasoning pack? I had added that. But after doing the tasting, it tasted like it needed some more salt. And I had put some more of the Creole seasoning in it. And it brought the flavor to where I want it to be. So some of the small things will kind of like break apart, but they actually add flavor to the soup's broth. You can drain this if it's too much, or you could leave it like it is. It did go down some, because as a cook, you know it goes down some. And I didn't add any more fluid to it once it started to rescind down from cooking. Sometimes I add a little flour, like a scurry, flour and water, and stir it up and add it to thicken the broth. But this time I just chose not to. I chose just to leave it just like it is and stuff. So again, smaller beans have a tendency of breaking down. So I'm just gonna put my little plate up here, my bowl. See if I can grab a piece and eat. Okay. It smells so good, so good. Okay, and I did make some corn muffins. What is soup without a biscuit roll or some corn muffins? So I made these corn muffins in these little silicones first time I used it. It was cool. I just did a jiffy. I didn't record it, everybody. I'm sorry, but I'll make sure I do so next time. So I did make some nice cornbread. I wanted to have some butter and honey on it, but I didn't have any honey, so I just rubbed it down for a little butter. And that's when I was coming on. That's what I was eating. Nice little cornbread, honey. So, pardon me while I add this bowl. To my corn. I already ate part of my bread here. So, It's good. Bone after tea. Give it a try.